Hey yo! Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today I'm doing a quick little thrift haul because your girl loves some thrifting. So recently I spent all my money on makeup. If you didn't see my recent video, you should go check it out. I spent all my money on makeup, so I have no money for clothes. So then I was like, you know what? I'm really cold all the time. I need some like long sleeve stuff or sweaters. And then I was like, well, I can't afford sweaters anymore because all my money is gone. So then I was like, thrift store, duh. That's basically what happened, like exactly what happened. So then I was like, I'm gonna go the heck on over to Value Village. So that's exactly what I did. And I got me some good finds, really excited about them, so I'm gonna show them to you. Yay! First off, I don't know what was up with this Value Village, but they had so much stuff this time I went, and it was really, really exciting because usually I go to this Value Village a lot and I never find anything. I actually went in there looking for t-shirts in the middle of winter. I don't know why, but I never find anything at this one, or if I do, I feel like it's super expensive, but this time I found a lot of stuff, so I'm really excited, and it all came out under like $20 or something. So yeah, so I will be showing you guys what I got. So sorry, not a try on, please don't kill me, but yeah, if you want to see what it looks like on, you should follow my Instagrams and my Snapchats because that's where I post my outfits, you know, just makes sense. Okay, I'm also gonna throw in this item I got from Forever 21 real quick, this, because it was only $4 because it was on sale, so I was really excited. These Sherpa thingies are like really popular right now, and so I got one from Forever 21. I don't know why, all their Sherpas were on sale for literally like $4. So I got this one. I really hate the ears. I think they're so ugly. Like, they're not ugly, it's just like I don't want to wear ears. So I think I'm gonna cut them off, but I don't know if that's just gonna make it worse. So tell me what you think I should do, but basically it's just this pink Sherpa, but it's like a zip up hoodie thingy, has pockets, really warm. It's a size small, but it's really oversized on me, but that's how I like it because, you know, it's be comfy. Love the color, it's amazing. Just wanted to get that out of the way. Now I'm going on to my Value Village stuff. So this is everything I got. I think I got like 6 items or something. I'm pretty sure it came out under like $20–25, so it was really affordable. It was a really successful trip for me this time, not gonna lie. I got literally 4 of the same thing, which is weird because it's a thrift store, but I got this sweater turtleneck. This one's not exactly a turtleneck, it's kind of like a mock neck, but I really like it. The perfect length for me. And this one's kind of like a navy-ish, I don't know, it's not black because you can see like compared to my hair. It's a little like navy-ish purpley toned, I would say. This was like $3, which is awesome. It's like a ribbed sweater material. This, which is a turtleneck, this one's actually from Forever 21, I think. Yeah, it's a size medium, and this was also like $3. It's the same like mauve-y shade that, as you can tell, I'm really into. This is like a really thin sweater, but I think it's really cute, and it would look really good for like layering. I think this would look so great with a denim jacket on top, I don't know. And it has like the nice hemmed, like scrunched in sleeves and like waistband, which I think is really cool because it makes you look more like put together and stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's weird, but I'll tell you anyway. In the beginning of the year, I was all like, you know, I'm just gonna start off my year rough so that things will only get better, you know? And I was like, you know, if I wear sweats to school every day, it's okay because then I'll probably like get motivated in the middle of the year and then I'll start dressing cute instead of like starting off good and then being like, pfft, you know? So then I started with that, and I literally wore the same pair of sweats to school like 3 times a week, and I was really nasty. I would never wear makeup. I would look like a hobo. I'd be like dead tired every day. And then randomly I just realized, I was like, no, Melanie, you need to start trying. I was like, this is not okay because I don't know. I was just like, you know, I'm gonna start trying. So then I was all like I have a lot of cute clothes and I have a lot of makeup, but I never use it because I'm too lazy. And then I was like, well, I don't know, because I was like always sad because I kept failing tests, and then I was like really sad. And then I realized like if I dress good and I look cute, then at least I'll be a little less sad because then I'll be like, wow, I look cute. And I failed my test. And then I'll be all good, you know? Yay. That was a random little thing. But yeah. Then I got this turtleneck, which I think is really cute. It's ribbed. It's lavendery purple, which I think is really cute and unique. Love it because I can wear it in like winter because it's a sweater, but then I can also wear it in like the like cold spring months. Okay, I just smelled this. One thing I hate about Value Village is their stuff stinks. Like, you have to wash it like 3 times and put it through like hardcore washing because it smells so bad. I don't know why. This was also like $3, I think. Yeah. I don't know why they were all so cheap. I was like, yes! That was a really good one. And then one more turtleneck. Oh my gosh. And this one, I love this shade. I don't know what this is called. I don't think it's teal. This actually looks huge when I look at it now. I hope it fits me. It's ribbed. It's probably from the same person. I don't even know. This one's like pretty long. These sleeves look huge. I don't know if this is gonna fit me, but because sometimes I feel too lazy to try stuff on. And this was one of those times. So if it doesn't fit me, it's fine, I guess. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Really love the shade. Tell me what this shade is because I don't know. Is this teal? I thought teal was like neon-y. I don't know. Now I feel kind of dumb. Those were my turtlenecks, and then I got 2 more items. So yeah, 6 items. Then I got this. This is kind of a weird-ish thing. Like, I would say this is kind of out of my comfort zone, not something I would usually wear. So I'm kind of excited for this. Hopefully I actually wear it. We'll see. This was $4, and this is what it looks like. Interesting. Basically, it just has some stripes, and then it has like a V-neck, if you can tell, which I thought was really intriguing. And then it has like a collar. And I don't know, I just thought it looks very old school and kind of like, I don't know, preppy, chic, I'm not sure. Something about it really just appealed to me. And then I was like, you know what, Melanie? It's $4. Why the heck not? So I got that. Really excited. My hair's everywhere. And I'm wearing gloss and it keeps getting stuck, but it's okay. Really excited to wear that. And then the last thing I got was a hoodie because, you know, I'm still me. Obviously, I still wear crews and hoodies like every day. I got to the point where people would be like, Melanie, why aren't you wearing a hoodie today? And then that's when I realized. I was like, yeah, okay, I've gone too far. This is a hoodie, but at least it smells really bad. At least I got a cute hoodie, okay? This is, gosh, a Puma hoodie. And this was, oh, JK, my price was definitely not under $20. Oh, JK, stuff was on sale. God bless. I was under 20. This was originally $8, but it was on sale. On sale. Oh my gosh, thanks Value Village. Like, it means a lot. It's just this like green Puma hoodie. This is a size, holy schmoly, this is a size extra large. What was I thinking? Oh my goodness. It says small on the tag, but then on that clothing tag, it says extra large. I got pranked. It's okay, whatever. I like oversized things. But it's just a plain hoodie. It says Puma, and then it has like a stripe under the sleeve, which I actually really dig this stripe because I feel like adds a lot of character. I don't know. Yeah, basically. It's really good quality, and it still feels pretty intact. It's not that worn in, and it has a really nice pocket that I really dig. Really dig in this pocket. That's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for watching. Tell me what other videos you guys want to see, and I'll see you later. Bye. Also, quickly, I just want to say sorry. I was really inactive for a while, but I was kind of dying in school, and I had a lot of tests, and then I was like, holy shoot, I have to quit YouTube. I'm failing school. And then I was like, no, it's okay. So I'm back. So yeah, bye.